How's it going, guys? My name is Domingo Shipalanga and welcome to Forex Dreams. In today's video I'll be covering financial markets. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Okay, the first thing we need to do is define what a financial market or what financial markets are. So give me 1 second. Bruh. Okay, I got it. A financial market is defined in various ways, but I'll give you the textbook definition, and that's that a financial market or financial markets is a mechanism which allows people to buy and sell, which essentially means to trade financial securities, which can be stocks, bonds, commodities, and other commodities, agricultural goods, and other things that are in a position where somebody is willing to buy them and willing to sell them. So financial markets also can be described as they allow fungible items to be bought at the perfect price or at the price which is applicable to the buyer and to the seller, making it easier for people to trade with each other, essentially making it easier for people to connect and get what they want from the other person. There is various versions of financial markets, which number 1 is a capital market, number 2 is a money market, number 3 is a commodity market, number 4 is derivative markets, number 5 is insurance market, and the last one is a foreign exchange market, which is the one which most people know and most people are used or most people have heard about. And there's many other markets, but I'm only gonna focus on these 6 markets, and I'm gonna break them down one by one. So let's get into that. So let's start with capital market. Okay, a capital market is typically described as a market in which people are trying to acquire funds either to start up a new business or to scale up an already existing market. So in the capital market, you find the investors, you'll find institutions who are willing to fund these people's startups or existing business, and they give out the money to these people, which then helps people to either scale up a business or to start a new business from scratch. And these institutions are usually banks, investors, hedge funds. They are the ones who are pumping the money into the market, ensuring that they keep making money. They give out money to people and they invest this money into the people, into the business. And at times governments are also forced or they choose to go and borrow money from financial institutions and foreign sovereign funds and other institutions, financial institutions, maybe like hedge funds, in order for the economy to keep going. So this money also circulates within the capital market, because these governments are going out there and seeking financial help in order for them to ensure that their economy not only stabilizes but also grows. And capital markets are usually broken down in 2 parts, which is the primary market and the secondary market. The primary market mostly consists of investors in pumping in money into stocks, bonds, and pumping into a startup, a business, because they are trying to scale up the business. They're trying to make sure the business goes from the ground up and it goes up, so that way they make more money because they buy it at a low price, and eventually when the stock of that particular company starts rising, then their investment grows. So the primary market usually consists of investors pumping a lot of money into startups or businesses, stocks or bonds, to ensure that they maximize and they get back their investment with profit. And the secondary market is where investors or individuals or other financial institutions invest or trade in already existing securities. So these are companies which are already well based, which are already well known. So the investors put their money into those businesses, expecting that the stock price of that particular business is going to rise up, and they're going to make back the money they invested with profit. Essentially, at the end, the end goal of capital market is to raise capital, to raise funds for startups or businesses which are trying to scale up, or businesses which are trying or which are failing, and they need excess funds to either stabilize or to get back on track, and for them to start making money again. And as I said before, also governments also go out there seeking financial help in order for them to stabilize their economy, and in the end for the economy to start growing and for them to start making money. So at the end of the day, the capital markets just make sure that these individuals seeking financial assistance have people who are willing to give them the money that they require, either to start up a business or to stabilize a failing business, or for government to stabilize and in turn grow the economy.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your fucking clout, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round.